In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the ROUNDUP function in Excel, a powerful tool that allows you to round values upward based on your desired level of precision. This skill can be incredibly useful, whether you're dealing with financial figures, data analysis, or any task requiring tidy calculations. Excel offers a variety of functions to handle numbers, and rounding is a crucial part of this. While you can round up, round down, or use standard rounding rules, today we'll focus specifically on rounding up with the ROUNDUP function. Let's get started. Suppose you want to modify a value in your spreadsheet, ensuring it always rounds upward, whether to a set number of decimal places or converting it into a whole number. Here's how you can do it. First, click on the cell where you want the rounded value to appear and type an equal sign. This is how you start any formula in Excel. Now type ROUNDUP. This is the function name that tells Excel you want to round numbers upward. After typing ROUNDUP, open a parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, you'll need to provide two essential pieces of information. The first is the cell reference containing the number you want to round up. This is the actual number you'll be working with. The second piece of information is a number indicating how many decimal places to retain in the result. These two components are separated by a comma. For example, if you aim to round a number upward to 1 decimal place, you simply enter 1 as the second part before closing the parenthesis and pressing enter. Instantly, you'll see the value from the reference cell rounded upward to 1 decimal place. If your requirement changes to rounding up to 2 decimal places, all you need to do is replace the 1 with a 2 in the formula. This logic applies to any other number of decimal places. Just adjust that second argument to align with your needs. Should you need to round up to a whole number, set the second argument to 0. Excel will disregard everything after the decimal point and round the value up to the nearest whole number for you. But what if you need to round to tens, hundreds, or even larger values? This is where using negative numbers in the second section of your formula becomes handy. By including a minus sign before the number, you can instruct Excel to round numbers upwards to the left of the decimal. For instance, using 1 will round your value up to the nearest 10, while 2 will round it to the nearest 100. Excel will swiftly perform the calculation, displaying the newly rounded up number. And that's the essence of the ROUNDUP function. This function is an invaluable tool for managing your data, allowing numbers to be rounded upward solely based on the precision level you dictate. If you're keen on further exploration, why not look into tutorials on the round and round down functions? Understanding these similar tools can vastly enhance your Excel prowess. Remember, if you found value in this tutorial, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching.